Taurus, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity, all your way. Bad health is big business. I'm here to put them out of business. Head swelling, PTSD, stroke, anxiety, depression, mental illness, physical ailments are at an all-time high, plaguing us at the age of an all-time low. I'm here to heal that with my Fountain of Youth technique. But before that, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. This page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is serenity. It's time to be at peace. Everything is going according to plan. You're elevating. Love is coming your way. Foundations coming to your way. Being able to satisfy and calm your heart. You've been going through a hard time. A lot of things have been thrown your way. A lot of tests, but you have passed them. So, since you've done all the work, it's time to relax and let Lord God, Spirit, Universe, Source, Strength, Jesus Christ do their thing. You've done the maximum as a co-creator. Now put it into the Creator's hands and watch how they change your life so quickly. There's no reason to force anything because you've done the maximum. Now it's time to relax. Through love, because there's no weapon formed against you that can beat love. There's nothing in the world stronger than love. Your biggest adversary will end up loving you once you show them love. They'll be confused. They can't hurt you. You release all anger, grudge, negative energy, and inner work that opens up more space for blessings, positive energy. And then just like the rules of the universe, we're like magnets. The energy that we possess, that's what we call in. It's therefore, you know, peace. I have a gentle view of life because everything is going to go your way. Everything is going your way. Just relax and welcome every step with confidence. I remain brave in the face of fear. I have the wisdom to let the universe do its work. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. And I love you.